Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Vitamix FoodCycler FC-50 food recycler and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now the main reason you might want to do this is for troubleshooting. If the Vitamix is not heating or not spinning or not turning on or not working in any kind of way, a hard reset to the factory settings is a good troubleshooting step to fix a lot of these issues. It's quite easy to do. What we're going to do is turn it off, but instead of doing a normal power down, we're going to press and hold the power button for 3 full seconds. Once we do that for 3 full seconds, then we can go ahead and unplug it from the wall, then wait a full minute, and then plug it back in. And then before we turn it back on, we're going to wait another 10 seconds or so, and then we can turn our Vitamix back on. And that will have restored all of the factory default settings on it, and we should be turning it on as though it were a new machine.